Hi, my name is Bertram Daniel from Property Advocacy Melbourne, and it's a breeze property. I've been dealing with real estate and property now for 47 plus years, and as I say to people, it just runs through my veins because I love what I'm doing, especially getting those really, really good results for people and putting a big smile on their face. So, what does a property advocate do? Well, he helps people buy, he helps people sell, and in my case, I help them invest as well. So I'm bringing all that experience of dealing with over thousands of people, selling thousands of houses, to guide that person in the sale or the purchase or the investing side of property. Particularly when they're selling, I mean, one of the biggest difficulties that most people face is trying to choose the right agent. Well, the beautiful thing about this is I know most of the agents out there in Melbourne, and I pretty much can help them choose the agent, and more particularly, guide them through the marketing, the advertising, and making sure that they get good value for money in all the respects. And then, of course, the most important thing is to get the best price possible. Now, after having achieved that so many, many times and having a testimonial file about that big, it, and then writing a book called The Seven Deadly Sins When Selling Your Property because of what I saw was going on in the industry. And I wanted to make sure people who were selling in particular and buying and investing were really looked after and got the best result. So if you're interested in having a chat, getting a copy of the book, The Seven Deadly Sins, please give me a call or an email, and I really look forward to either chatting or sending you a copy of the book, complimentary, of course. And hopefully, we will work together at some stage in the future to buy, sell, or invest. And till then, till we chat, goodbye, good luck, and see you later. Bye.